The journey of gold begins deep within the earth, where raw ore is extracted from ancient rock formations. This crushed ore contains valuable traces of gold, extracted from the deepest layers of the earth before being transported for processing. The raw ore is broken down to prepare for further processing.
Here, the vibrating screens efficiently separate the fine gold ore from the coarse material, the smaller particles Jolvux. From raw rock to refined metal, the transformation begins here.
Once inside, the ore is transported through controlled systems toward deeper refining stages.
As the ore drops into the rotating mill intake, the grinding process begins, utilizing the sheer power of these mashal. The ore is transformed into slurry, preparing it for chemical extraction. Now, the true extraction of gold begins.
At the heart of the operation stands a highly controlled refining facility.
Control, this is Gate 2. Truck 1 verified and entering the premises.
The truck unloads additional gold ore into the reinforced intake hopper. Dust is controlled by the overhead. Did your badge scan work? Yeah, I'm good. Inside, every stage is carefully controlled to extract gold with precision. The refining process now moves into its critical purification stage.
The slurry enters leaching tanks, where chemicals begin separating gold from surrounding material.
Oxygen pipes release streams of bubbles, accelerating the chemical reactions as the flow is directed toward the discharge outlet. The gold is now ready to be extracted from the carbon itself.
Under heat and pressure, gold is stripped from carbon into a concentrated solution.
As the tanks fill with the gold-rich solution, the operator flips the main power switch, sending a strong electrical charge. The extracted gold now appears as a concentrated metallic deposit.
Next, the gold will be transformed into its pure metallic form.
In extreme heat, the recovered material is transformed into molten gold.
As the solids collapse into the molten pool, the surface shimmers with heat. The introduction of flux causes intense ripples and bubbling.
Impurities are removed, leaving a purer molten metal. The first solid gold bars take shape.
Automation now takes over, ensuring precision and consistency.
As the grinding process completes, the finished surface rotates, moving the bar seamlessly toward the next polishing station. Each bar is marked with its identity and purity. Only the highest quality bars move forward.
In the final finishing stage, each gold bar is refined to perfection.
Utilizing advanced laser technology, the company logo and certification marks are etched with unmatched detail. Each bar now reflects both purity and precision.
Every gold bar undergoes strict laboratory testing before certification.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the gold is moved to a vibration-free chamber. Here, only certified pure gold proceeds to final packaging.
Only certified pure gold proceeds to final packaging. In the final stage, each gold bar is sealed for secure global distribution.
All right, easy now. Keep it coming straight back. Looks good, set it down.
Secure storage ensures complete protection before global shipment. With the final clank of the heavy-duty lock, the gold is secured. The inspection tag confirms the integrity of the shipment. And this is how modern factories transform raw earth into refined gold bars from start to finish.